Good morning, my dear students. In the previous class, we have to discussing about in the 14th chapter. It is very important. The name of the chapter, the agriculture in India. Agriculture in India. And already we have to study it and knowing about that. So, what is Rabi crops and the Kharif crops, and again we can divide it into these crops, food crops and cash crops. Which kind of the food crops we have to growth in India, and what purpose we must using that kind of the crop, and after that the cash crop. So food crops, it means by the by we should growth these kind of the crops by the purpose of eating. By the purpose of eating, for example rice, wheat, jowar and millet, green grains, those are we have to use by the purpose of eating, isn't it? The last class we have discussed this kind of the matters in this chapter, okay? And now move towards in the today's sessions, that is very important, that is cash crops. Cash crops. What do you mean cash? Cash, what is that? Cash, it means money. Cash, it means money. Okay. See here. So those kind of the crops we must have growth in our field by the agriculture. By the agriculture. Why we want that kind of the crops? Dear students, ನೋಡಿ ನಾವು ಯಾಕೆ ಈ ವಾಣಿಜ್ಯ ಬೆಳೆಗಳನ್ನ ಬೆಳಿಬೇಕು? ವಾಣಿಜ್ಯ ಬೆಳೆಗಳನ್ನ ಬೆಳಿಬೇಕು. ಆಹಾರದ ಬೆಳೆಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ತಿನ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ನಾವು ಸೇವಿಸಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಬಳಸಿದ್ರೆ ವಾಣಿಜ್ಯ ಬೆಳೆಗಳನ್ನ ಯಾಕೆ ಬೆಳಿಬೇಕು? ಎಸ್, ಫೈನ್. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ seedings, so we must very essential of the fertilizer. We must purchase the seeds and some other things. We must want money. We must want money. That kind of purpose we must grow the cash crop. The name itself indicates that. The name itself indicates the cash crops. Cash, it means so we should sell the products. We sell the products and we get the money from that products. That is a cash crops. We call that the cash crop, like sugarcane. Yes, sugarcane, it is the cash crop. But so we have to eating the sugarcane, but not hungry purpose. We are not eating the sugarcane hungry purpose. The India is the largest producer of sugarcane in the world. Here, India is the largest producer of sugarcane in the world. ಜಗತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಬ್ಬು ಬೆಳೆಯುವಂತಹ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಯಾವುದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಭಾರತ. So one reason is that. Why? So what is the reason? In the India, we have see that the black soil. The more than India has included more than the black soil. That's why in the black soil, the sugarcane has highly growth in the India. That's why we call that the India is the largest producer of sugarcane in the world. Not only in any other states, it should be highest producer of the sugarcane by the India only. ಜಗತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಬ್ಬು ಬೆಳೆಯುವಂತಹ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಯಾವುದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಭಾರತ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಹೌದಾ? Yes. In expressly. So in which state the highest producer, the highest growth of the sugarcane? First one, Uttar Pradesh. Next, Bihar. Bihar, then Maharashtra, and Tamil Nadu, and Tamil Nadu. These are the highest producer of the states, the highest producer of the sugar cane in the India. The Uttar Pradesh is the highest producer of the sugar cane in the India. That is Uttar Pradesh. And second one Bihar, the third one Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. So these two states are in the northern part of the India, and these states are the southern part of the India. In such a way that, so totally the India has produced the highest sugarcane in the world, isn't it? And so it is mainly used for making sugar and jaggery. The sugar cane we have to using to making sugar and jaggery. It means ಈ ಬೆಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಕ್ಕರೆಯನ್ನ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಬಳಸ್ತೀವಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಈ ಕಬ್ಬನ್ನ ಬಳಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಬೆಲ್ಲ, ಜಾಗ್ರಿ ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬೆಲ್ಲ, ಶುಗರ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸಕ್ಕರೆ. ಬೆಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತು ಸಕ್ಕರೆಯನ್ನ ನಾವು ಉತ್ಪಾದಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ತಯಾರಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಬ್ಬನ್ನ ಬಳಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. India is the largest producer of oil seeds. The India is also famous for the growth of the oil seeds. Oil seeds, like which are the names of oil seeds, like the sunflower or groundnut. India is also famous for. India is largest producer of oil seeds in the world. ಜಗತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಈ ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಕಾಳುಗಳನ್ನು ಬೆಳೀತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಯಾವುದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಭಾರತ. ದ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್, ದ ಶುಗರ್ ಕೇನ್, so as well as oil seeds. Which kind of the oil seeds has to develop or growth in the India, such as the groundnut, groundnut, and the coconut. We should get the oil from the groundnut, the coconut. Every day we should using this kind of the oil. While these are the edible oil, the groundnut oil, the coconut oil, and the sesame, the mustard. Yes, we have to use this kind of the oil for the edible purpose. Edible, it means eating purpose. Every day we want, it is very essential to the people. So every people of the world, they should using oil when they are making food. It's such that. So India has the growth, the largest producer of the oil seeds also. Okay, and are grown in the various parts of the country. The groundnut and mustard are cheap oil seeds. Which are the cheap oil seeds? The groundnut and yes, mustard, ಸಾಸಿವೆ. ಎಸ್, ಈ ಶೇಂಗಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಾಸಿವೆನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಈ ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಕಾಳುಗಳಾಗಿ ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಕುಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಯಿಲ್. The groundnut and the mustard oil we should use in making the food. This kind of the oil we must use it for by the purpose of making the food. ಈ ಆಹಾರವನ್ನು ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಶೇಂಗಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಾಸಿವೆ ಎಣ್ಣೆಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ಬಳಸ್ತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, the jute is the major cash crops grown in West Bengal. Yes, the another one, the cash crops, it is very very important, and we must using the setting of the bags. Jute, what is that? Jute. Jute is also one of the major crops of the cash crops. What is that? The another one crop, that is jute crop. jute crop. So highly produce this jute in which state? West Bengal. West Bengal. In the West Bengal, then Assam and the Bihar, then Odisha, then West Bengal is the largest producer of the jute. West Bengal is the largest producer of the jute. ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಸೆಣಬನ್ನು ಬೆಳೀತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಯಾವ್ದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬೆಂಗಾಲ್ ಉತ್ಪಾದಿಸುವಂತಹ ರಾಜ್ಯ. ಜೂಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸೆಣಬು, ಸುತ್ತೋಳೆ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಸುತ್ತೋಳೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಅದೇ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಯಾವ ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೀತಿದ್ದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಜೂಟು ಈ ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬೆಂಗಾಲ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ದ ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬೆಂಗಾಲ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಲಾರ್ಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಜೂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. And so some other states are there like Assam, Bihar, Odisha. In this place, the less amount of the jute has growth in the India. And jute is used to a raw material for making bags. So uses of the jute, uses of the jute. ಈ ಸೆಣಬಿನ ಒಂದು what do you mean ಉಪಯೋಗ ಏನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ yes making bags and it is the raw material, one type of raw materials when we had to supply to the factory they had using the making the bags by the jute, and after that the mats and the carpets, carpets. Okay, so this is the uses of the jute, the making bags, mats and carpets. Okay, and let us, we are discussing that the another one, the cash crop of the nation, that is cotton. It is cotton. So already we have to discuss it. So which are the kinds of the cash crops? First one is sugarcane. The second one is sugarcane, where they have highest growth, the largest producer of the state. The India is considered as the highest, the producer of the largest producer of the sugarcane in the world. And after that we are discussing about the jute. So where it has highest producer in which state, and so what are the uses of the jute. Now the next one is, now we are discussing the cotton. The cotton is also the cash crop. Cotton is also cash. It is another one important cash crop. So it is used making cloth. What are the uses of the cloth? We must making the cloth. Making cloths. Without cotton, without making any other cloths. We must want cloth when we are making the cloth. The black soil of the Maharashtra is very suitable for growing cotton. So which kind of the soil be growing the cotton? In the whole India, we analysis the geographically analysis the India. The highest black soil has available in Maharashtra only. That's why in Maharashtra the highly produced the crops, the cotton and sugarcane. So especially the cotton, where they have growth the cotton, so the cotton is highly growth in the which kind of the soil? The black soil. In the black soil the cotton has heavily growth, isn't it? Okay, so that is very essential and very important. The cotton is also the important crop of the cash crop. Okay, fine, dear students. Now the black soil, the Maharashtra is very suitable for growing cotton. So which state has suitable for growing the cotton crops? Maharashtra. Maharashtra is a very suitable place for growing the cotton. Why? The Maharashtra has the lot of black soil. ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಪ್ಪು ಮಣ್ಣನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಮಹಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಈ ಮಹಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಹತ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಬೆಳಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಎಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಗ್ರೋನ್ ಇನ್ ಪಂಜಾಬ್. The largest producer of the cotton in Maharashtra, and rather than Maharashtra, some other states they have growth cotton. So which are those names of states? Punjab, and Rajasthan, and Madhya Pradesh, and Karnataka, and also Tamil Nadu. TN. These states, the largest produce the cotton. The largest produce of the cotton in which state? Maharashtra. After that, the second one Punjab, the third one Rajasthan, then Madhya Pradesh. In the southern part of the India, in 2 states they have growth the cotton, especially in our state Karnataka, and our neighbor state is Tamil Nadu. Okay, na? Yes. And so another important, the cash crop was tea. Okay. Tea is also another one important crop of the cash crop. So India produced tea on the large scale of Assam. India produced the tea on large scale. So the highest growth of the tea in which state? Assam. Next, West Bengal, then Nilagiri Hills. In the northern part of India, the Nilagiri Hills are the major producers of tea. The major producers of the tea, the whereas in Assam, West Bengal, and also the Nilagiri Hills. Assam, West Bengal, then Nilagiri Hills. ಅರಾವಳಿ ಬೆಟ್ಟಗಳು, ನೀಲಗಿರಿ ಬೆಟ್ಟಗಳು ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾವೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲೇನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಟೀ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಬೆಳೀತಾರೆ. The coffee is also produced in Kerala. Another one important cash crop, that is coffee. The highest produce the coffee has highest produce in Kerala. And so Karnataka and Tamil Nadu also. Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. We are also growing the coffee, tea and coffee. Yes, in every home they are using such kind of the things. And India is known for the spices such as saffron, the black pepper, the cinnamon, the turmeric, garlic, cloves, chilies, ginger and cardamom. These spices are produced cheaply in the coastal area of Malabar. ಭಾರತ ಸಾಂಬಾರು ಪದಾರ್ಥಗಳನ್ನು ಬೆಳಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧಿಯನ್ನು ಪಡೆದುಕೊಂಡಂತಹ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ. ಅದಾ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಬೆಳಿತೀವಿ. ಅದು ಕೇಸರಿ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಮತ್ತು ಲವಂಗ, ಮೆಣಸು, ಏನು ವಾಟ್ ಮೀನ್ ಟರ್ಮರಿಕ್, ಅರಿಶಿನ, ಗಾರ್ಲಿಕ್, ಬೆಳ್ಳುಳ್ಳಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಚಿಲ್ಲೀಸ್, ಮೆಣಸಿನಕಾಯಿ, ಶುಂಠಿ, ಯಾಲಕ್ಕಿ, ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇರಳವಾಗಿ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಬೆಳೆಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮಲಬಾರ್ ತೀರ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇರಳ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮಹಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಪೈಸಸ್ ಹೈಲಿ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕೇರಳ. ಟು ದೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ lot of famous for the species of India, isn't it? Then rubber is also one of the important of the cash crops. It's made up from the latex. Rubber, it's made up of that the latex, and all liquid is collected from rubber trees. The rubber trees in the field, we should collect the liquid from the rubber tree. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ದ್ರವ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ವಸ್ತುವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಆ ರಬ್ಬರ್ ಮರದಿಂದ ಸಂಗ್ರಹಣೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅದನ್ನ ಸೇಕರಣೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದರಿಂದ ರಬ್ಬರನ್ನು ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ ಟು ದ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಮೇಡ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ರಬ್ಬರ್. ಆ ದ್ರವವನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಕೈಗಾರಿಕೆಗಳಿಗೆ, ಕಾರ್ಖಾನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಬ್ಬರನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ರಬ್ಬರ್, ದ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಫೌಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇರಳ, ತಮಿಳುನಾಡು ಅಂಡ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ. Among 3 states, especially in the southern part of the India, so especially the Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, we should growing the rubber also. Okay, thank you. What happens? Let's go on in the next period. Then green revolution, the livestock rearing. So these points we have to discuss in the next classes. Okay, dear students, please you can take the homework. Please you can watch the video, and whatever you have got doubt having, please you can consult to me or consult to the management or the head of the institute, and please you can take the homework. The first one, write some names of cash crops. Then second one, in which places we growing the jute and in which country has largest produce the sugar cane in the world. Okay, please you can write the answers to those questions. Thank you. Fine.